Fractions. I can convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. Oops. So let's draw our line down and let's write improper fractions to mixed numbers. Remember, improper means the bigger numbers on the top and the smaller numbers on the bottom. So you're going to ask yourself, and I want you to write what I have in red. How many 5s go into 17? So you say, how many 5s go into 17? Yes, on a calculator you would type in 17 divide 5. But we're not going to use a calculator right now. So we ask ourselves how many 5s go into 17, and the answer would be 3, because 3 times 5 is 15. And then we say how many leftovers do we have? So the leftovers become our remainder of 2. And then our denominator always stays the same. So let's try this next one. How many 4s go into 11? Well, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 is too many, so it's 2. 4 times 2 is 8, so 9, 10, 11. We have 3 leftovers or remainder, and the denominator stays the same. So you go ahead and try this one. How many 6s go into 25? Well, that be 4, because 4 times 6 is 24 with 1 left over. And then the denominator stays the same. So now we should be able to go backwards and turn this 4 and 1/6 back into 25/6. So let's look at how to do that. It's mixed to improper. So if we look back here, we took 4 times 6 to get the 24, because that's how many 4s went into 20, or how many 6s, I'm sorry, went into 25. So what we do is we multiply these two. So let's write a little multiplication sign. 4 times 7 is 28. And then we're going to add the remainder back into it. So we take the whole number times the denominator, and then we add the numerator. And again, the denominator stays the same. So in this case, 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 is 31 sevenths. Now to undo that, how many 7s go into 31? 4, because that would get me to 28, 29, 30, 31. 3 is the remainder. So you need to be able to convert back and forth between these two. So go ahead and try this one. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 is 39. And then the denominator stays the same. Go ahead and try 3 and 6/7. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 6 is 27 sevenths. So here's your worksheet. Go ahead and get started.